who's better off, the captain or the vessel? Who's going to be ready in time for the season? Is the boat going to be ready before the captain, or is the captain going to be ready before the boat? Well, we're kind of slugging it out to see who's going to be second, really. But at this point, I want to give you an update on the boat and where things stand, and then I'll weave in where I stand. As many of you know, my health hasn't been great. I am still struggling post-surgery. If the boat was ready today, we're in the middle of May, I would not be ready to pick this thing up. So I'm still struggling with a considerable amount of pain, and I've got some leads on what to do next. In the meantime, the boat has been in a boatyard for a while, and I just got off the phone yesterday with the one in charge of that, and that went really well. At first, I was a little bit panicked because things are going more slowly than I want them to go. But it sounds like there's been more progress. So here's the update. As you may know from the last video, the manifolds and the risers have been removed and they needed to be replaced. As you can see here, I'm just importing some things from that last video. So because by now I should be on this boat, I thought I would just put the background of a river near where our boat is, so I can pretend like I'm actually out there when I'm really not. The manifolds and the risers have been removed and they needed to be removed, so that's great. The spark plugs have been replaced and the wires have been replaced, so that's great. The manifold and risers have not been put on yet, so I'm hoping that'll be done soon. My biggest concern was we really would love to go. Next week is Memorial Day weekend, and my wife has taken a day off, and we'd really like to go out and be on the water. That looks like it's being in jeopardy both from a health perspective, but also from the boat's readiness perspective. However, after talking with this person, they pulled both outdrives and have confirmed that the port side outdrive needs new U-joints, which is understandable because we haven't pulled that one yet. So the outdrives are in the shop, and hopefully they're working on replacing what they need to replace to get those outdrives back on. The outdrives need to be painted, and so does the bottom of the boat, and they assured me at the marina that the painting can be done pretty quickly, and they have people that will be able to do that. So the other things that haven't been done that may be holding things up that we may have to let go of are, first, the hot water heater. I don't think they've looked at it yet, and they really need to look at it when they have the manifolds and risers off right now, because you can probably squeeze back in there. So I'm hoping they'll be able to do that. So basically, both Eternity Shore and its captain have been dry docked for quite a while, and I am getting tired of being dry docked. And even if my health is just marginal, I'd rather have my happy place back to be able to get back on the water. Hopefully by next Thursday or Wednesday, they can get all this done and put the boat on the water and we can rejoice together. I did have the detailing done on the boat, so she looks good inside and out, although all of our stuff still needs to be kind of cleaned up on the boat and placed in its proper order. Mary and I would love to go away, but we probably won't go that far, especially if they just worked on the boat, just in case we have any problems with going up on plane. At this point, with my pain level, I don't think I could really go up on plane, quite honestly. The shock to my system, my neck and my shoulders and my arms, I feel like my whole upper body is in an electrical fire. It's kind of how it feels. So the thought of pounding up and down on plane is not a very pleasant one. But it's pleasant to get the boat back. And the irony of last year of having only 6 weeks on plane, maybe the boat's going to be ready to go back on plane, but I'm not going to be ready. And so we may putz around for a while until my body responds in the right way. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. Thank you for following along on this journey this particular spring. And we'll see whose future is brighter. Is it the captain's or the boat's? Right now, maybe it's a tie. Maybe Eternity Shore is going to be ready by the time I'm ready. I'm not sure. But at the very least, we'd really like to get the boat back for Memorial Day. So who's better off? the boat getting the parts and everything done? Or am I better off with my body? We're both headed towards the same goal. We want to be together. We want to be reunited on Memorial Day weekend. So wish us luck for that. Because it seems to me like both Eternity Shore and me were built for the sea and not land. So stay tuned. Hope to give you an update again soon. I'm going to end this video with some footage from our trip to Quebec several years ago. And I never put together a video for this, but I think since we're going to be delayed in more boating videos from Eternity Shore 2, that I will make a video next time of this trip up to Quebec City. So this is St. Lawrence River, and I'm not sure what marina that is, but it was pretty cool. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.